Welcome to Trending Niches, episode 86. To begin with, let's start with some niches to avoid. The first one is, no, I don't have a car problem, I have a storage problem. Now, this one you don't need to avoid fully. It's just that most people approach this trend completely wrong. The phrase itself is actually not trademarked, and if you have a design like this where it's just text-based, I don't see any problem with it. However, almost all of these designs have graphics of cars in them, and if you ask AI to generate graphics of cars, it's most likely going to give you cars that look extremely similar, if not exactly like real cars. And those car designs belong to the manufacturers. It's like their intellectual property. So putting them on your design is not allowed, and all of these pretty much subject to removal will probably get removed from Amazon merch. It's quite a bad infringement to copy an official car design, so highly recommend not doing this. If you want to put some graphics in your designs, maybe put some engines in there or some wheels, like just the wheels, not the full cars. That might be safer, but there is also some that are just selling with text. So you've got this kind of typewriter design right here. So if you really want to jump on this trend, then do it text-based only if you want to be completely safe. And generally with car designs, be really careful if you have actual car models in these, because AI, even if you just say create a generic car design, it is going to draw heavy inspiration from real life cars. Moving on to the next trend to avoid, here we've got Hello Darkness, My Old Friend. This is one that comes around every year pretty much, near to or close to St. Patrick's Day, and some of these designs even have a double infringement in them. So Hello Darkness, My Old Friend, first of all, is an exact match for popular song lyrics. Don't do that, not allowed. And some of these designs like this, and this one right here, they are mimicking the Guinness logo. So they're designed to look very close to the Guinness logo. So that's the double infringement there. These designs are referring to dark beer. That's the idea. And you can sell designs to people who like dark beer, but you can't use song lyrics and you cannot use beer logos for this. So yeah, definitely not safe. And there's some other like trending designs that are all kind of getting really close to Guinness. For example, I also noticed this one right here, off to get my vitamin G, and this beer mug right here looks very similar to a Guinness would look with the logo right there. Vitamin G is also kind of hinting at Guinness G. So yeah, don't try and get tricky. I would just stay away from this. There's other ways to get sales. For St. Patrick's Day, you don't have to try and rip off brands or songs to do so. Okay, let's talk about some niches that are safe. The first one this week is probably the biggest trend on Amazon right now, at least in terms of new trends, new designs, and that is Punch or Team Punch, Punch Monkey. There's a few different ways to find this. This is a viral social media story, I think, or news story about a monkey that has no mum and therefore carries around this plush toy right here. It's very cute. It's taken social media by storm, and it really shows in the BSRs. We've got 47K, 48K, 53K, and all of these are published just a week ago, or even less, like published 5 days ago. 53K BSR. That is crazy. There's a ton of demand for this. It kind of reminds me of the Moo Deng trend from, I think, a couple of years ago, when there was that hippo, like baby hippo, trending from another zoo from abroad. I think that one was Thailand. It kind of feels like that, and I could see these selling for a while because I think there's a lot of people following that story right now and more news coming out about it. You can see so many new badges, so many good BSRs right here. Some people getting really clever as well, mixing it with other trending styles, which I always recommend. With these trends, obviously the best way to get a good BSR is to be first, right? To be one of the first to upload a good design with the right keywords. That's definitely a big advantage. But the second best way, in my opinion, is to be creative and smart about how you upload these, because this style with the kind of moonshine right here, that's been really popular with all sorts of dogs recently. So yeah, why not try it with the monkey? And I'm sure there's going to be a lot of other ways, a lot of other trending styles that you could kind of mix with this and make it work. But definitely look into the story if it's new to you before you enter the niche. Just make yourself familiar, at least spend 5 or 10 minutes watching videos about it so you kind of know what to design, because yeah, this is a really hot trend. If you're in a lower tier, then this might help you get some easy sales right now. Next up, we've got If Paul Were Here, We'd Be Getting a Letter. This one is also quite a recent trend. All of these are published about 1 to 2 weeks ago. We've got some newer ones as well right here, 7 days, 8 days, and there's a lot of good BSRs. Not quite as strong as the monkey trend right there, the punch monkey, but this one I was a bit confused at first because A lot of these text-based designs look very similar, but this just seems to be a religious phrase, a religious quote, and there's no trademarks in it. As far as I can tell, I can't see this coming from a song or anything. So to my understanding, this is safe. Still double check. Don't just trust me. Do your own research as well. But I couldn't see this being related to anything else. And yeah, tons of new designs uploaded recently. Getting sales right here. For if Paul were here, we'd be getting a letter. I wouldn't just copy the exact same text-based layout again. Like all of the top ranking designs, I would try and make something that stands out a little bit more. Also notice all of these, except down here, all of these on black, right? They're all on black backgrounds. Maybe try and stand out with color, with a different color. We have so many color options now on the t-shirts. A lot of others that would definitely pop as well. And look at the religious niches in general, which other Christianity designs are doing well that might work with this phrase in terms of the layout, the styling, etc. So get inspiration from similar niches or the kind of broader niche in question to help you find design styles that are more unique, that stand out a bit more, but that also resonate and are already proven to work. Trending niche number 3 is Pi Day, and that's on the 14th of March. It's celebrated in the US, and there is going to be a lot of sales happening for this trend. There is every year, and you can see that there's already a bit of a downwards trend in terms of BSR by looking at the average over the past 30 days. So here we've got 680k and 400k average, and then the current BSR is closer to 200,000. So you can see that these two designs are dropping in BSR. It isn't true for every single design right here, but the majority of them are going down. And Pi Day has so many different ways to approach it. People make all sorts of jokes with different animals, anything that starts with PI, and yeah, pi obviously. There's tons of math themed designs as well. These spiral stars are very popular, and you're going to see the actual shape or the symbol for pi right here mixed into all sorts of graphics. So very popular niche, very colorful. You can be very creative with this and come up with some funny shirts that people would like to buy. It's a very strong seller at the beginning of March every year, so it's also a reoccurring holiday. Next up, we've got another awareness niche. So if you're a fan of these, then you might want to consider in March we wear blue. This is for colon cancer awareness, and you can see that there's already a 207k BSR right here and then 261k. These are going to sell well throughout the next few weeks, and it is also a reoccurring seasonal holiday. I think it's fairly obvious how to design these. It's always a common color scheme, so upload to blue shirts or have a lot of blue in your design. And this is not the only phrase, right? This is just the primary phrase for this niche, but there is other ways to approach it as well. And generally, you always see a lot of ribbons, rainbows, groovy fonts, as well as hat symbols in these awareness designs. Easter this year is on April the 5th, and therefore Easter designs are already doing really well. We've still got about a month and a half worth of really good sales for this niche, and as you can see, there is 80k, 90k, 100k. So this is definitely a strong seasonal holiday. And there is also, as you can see, new badges. So this one at the top was just published 23 days ago, and it's now ranking 3rd right here in Flying Research for the Easter keyword. So it's not impossible to approach these niches. It is very, very competitive, but we can also right here go to advanced filters, and then let's maybe see what was uploaded just this year, 2026, for the Easter niche, and is already selling. And let's see if we can find any patterns. So this design has been copy pasted, and yeah, someone's literally stolen that, so wouldn't recommend that. Then we've got I'm just here for the candy, bruh, it's my birthday. This looks a lot like Minecraft. I wouldn't do that. Also, it doesn't really relate to Easter, but there's a lot of these bunnies with leopard prints, so maybe leopard print in general, something that's going to be popular for this year in Easter. And also these kinds of bunny designs. Now they're all very, very close to each other, so I'm not sure if I would do that exact design, but it shows you a pattern. Here we've got another one with the pink bubblegum style. So bunnies, cute bunnies, definitely a hot topic. This one, not sure what that's showing up for Easter, but maybe you could do a bunny that's smoking, right? Maybe you can merge the two trends there. We've got another kind of cute kawaii themed one, a bunny but plus gaming right here, published just 13 days ago, 500k BSR. You've got some similar styles right here with a dabbing bunny. Again, people copy pasting each other. Don't do that. We've got the drip style design with the baseball right here, and also bunny ears. That's really smart, very clever. I like that. And this style looks really cool too, very vibrant, and again it has that really cute bunny feel with all the hats, which I think at the top looked fairly similar. Yeah, this one right here, similar style with the kind of hands on the cheeks right there and a lot of hearts around it, but here it is stylistically different in terms of that grayscale with a bit of pink here we've got a very, very vibrant design. So there's definitely something with cute bunnies doing cute poses. This also looks really cool. The kind of 4-panel style is something that's come about more recently over the past year, I would say, and become more popular. And we've got the 4 animals next to each other, which was also a big trend last year. So yeah, there's definitely, as you can see, many, many new badges, designs listed this year that are getting sales, and there is patterns in these clearly. So that's a good way to do research for these kind of highly competitive niches if you're not sure how to enter them, because if you don't have the date range filtered out, then you see a lot of the old established sellers, and if you do design similar to them, you're probably, one of 5,000, 10,000 at this point, and you're not going to be able to compete. But yeah, I hope this helps you. Easter niche, really, really big seasonal trend, does extremely well throughout March and April, so definitely don't sleep on it. And lastly, let's bring back a segment which I used to do in trending niches, but kind of forgot about it, and that is looking ahead 3 months into the future. And the way I do this with flying research is in the archive function right here. I think I had like a few months or a few weeks break from the trending niches and then forgot about this, but we did do this for a while. So the archive feature, the way it works is you select a date in the past, and then it shows you the best ranking, the lowest BSR shirts from that specific date. What I'm doing right here, in case you've never seen the section, is I'm going 3 months ahead, but I'm looking at the past year's data. So right now I'm recording on the 26th of February, so we're looking at the 26th of May 2025. So if you're not as interested in the current trends that are trending right now and will be trending in the next few weeks, this is more of a prepare in advance. You've got 3 months time, upload stuff now, get it ranking, push it with ads, and then you might have a really good time when these trends peak right here. So what we'll do is we'll scroll through the archive just for a couple of minutes, and I will try and identify some patterns and what the big trends are going to be in 3 months time. At the top, we definitely have a pattern of cat design selling. I don't know if that is related to actually May. I don't think there's a cat event there, but we've also got an old ass man. We've got awesome like my daughter, so that's hinting at dad designs doing well because this is close to Father's Day. And we've got I crushed kindergarten, summer design, bro we out. So there's a lot of designs about graduation and people going to summer breaks, summer holidays, and that is always a hot topic around this time. I paused my game to graduate, you're welcome, so cross-niching with gaming. And then we've also got some American flags popping up. July the 4th, Independence Day, is about a month out from this date, so obviously you're also going to see patriotic designs selling, and those are probably the biggest patterns. Yeah, we've got, again, proud mum of a graduate. And in case you don't know how the actual archive tab works in terms of the stats right here, you've got the historic rank at the top. So this shows what the BSR was on the 28th of May 2025, and then you have the current BSR, as it always is, down here. And you can see that some of these, they've dropped a lot. Like this is over 1 million worse in BSR than it was back then, just due to the fact that it's not graduation time right now, and also this has 2025 in there, so it's probably not going to sell much this year, which is a bit of a downside if you have these highly specific designs with a date in there. But they can do really well, as you can see, 60k BSR. And this design, the raccoons right here, had a 60k BSR and now 130. So this is more evergreen, it didn't drop as much, and it is still selling quite well. Do we see anything else right here in terms of patterns? I don't think Field Day maybe. That seems to be around that time. But be careful there. I think Field Day might be trademarked. The actual words there, not 100% sure. I've never, I think, listed in there. And we've got more graduation designs, dad designs. So I think it's very clear, American flags right here, the big niches, the big trends of this time that you might want to prepare for. Father's Day, July the 4th, and graduation. And in case you're more interested in evergreen niches, I highly recommend you check out this video next, where I'll show you 3 different ways to find new evergreen niches with flying research.